Hi, I'm Greg Nyer, CEO of GX Commercial in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today we're going to do a walk around on our new 7-inch chipper, our BBC72. This is a twin cylinder chipper. It's a 34 horsepower chipper. And it's a tornadic drum system. Let's start off and take a look at this feed chute. This feed chute has an extra heavy duty mat. This is a commercial chipper. We have reinforcement all the way around the feed chute on this. And also we have an OSHA compliant shutoff bar. If you have a job site and you have employees out there, you need to be OSHA compliant. So this bar is what they recommend to be compliant. This shutoff system is a non-electronic shutoff system. It's purely mechanical. It's power to ground. There's only one wire that comes up here, goes to the engine. It's a for sure shutoff. That's what that's all about. Now let's drop down here. What is this? This is a toolbox, but it's a chainsaw toolbox. So, opens up. You can put up to a 22-inch chainsaw in here, stand it up or lay it on its side. Also, we supply with this unit a CE approved arborist helmet. It's got the bear, you got to have the bear. And this is big enough for your gas tank, your tools. Easy open and closed, and lockable. It's pin lockable. You can also put a small padlock on there if you'd like. Let's move around here to the side, and we're going to look at the fenders. Fenders are solid metal on this. They're strong. The manual holder is watertight. We got 45 mile per hour DOT tires and rims, so you can pull this unit 45 mile per hour. Let's talk about the power plant on this. Power plant is a 34 horsepower V-twin, 7-inch chipper. Okay, V-twin. This motor at 34 horsepower at 3,800 RPM. It has twin cylinders. Each cylinder bore is 3.22 on the bore and a 2.85 on the stroke. It also has an oil cooler on the motor. Let's take a look at that right here. And right here's the oil cooler. Very nice. And also you got your oil filter on here. Low oil shutoff. It's an overhead valve engine. You've got a high compression exhaust system on here for back pressures. It's electric start. It has a 2.6 gasoline tank on it. Run all day on the job on that. It's got a 1.6 quart oil, which is 10W30, Mobile 1. Let's look at the drive system. So, an engine this size, it has a lot of torque. How much torque does it have? Well, it has 52 foot-pounds of torque. Unbelievable, 52 foot-pounds of torque. And that torque is delivered to a 3-shiv drive system. It's a direct drive system. Each one of these belts are 3/4 of an inch V-belt. They're fabric reinforced pro belts. Okay? It's the only kind of belts we use. This is all starting to blend together to make this tornadic system. Now let's look at this. See this angle on here? This angle is an increased angle on this feed chute, which helps the tree when it's feeding. And also, let's unlock these latches. Latches are lockable, by the way. All right. We're going to go ahead and open this up and take a look at this tornadic drum. That's a lot of steel. All right, now, unit comes with the battery. The engine is electric start. While we're here, the electric key's up here. Now, let's look down here at this tornadic drum. These blades are 8 millimeters thick. They're not 6, they're 8. They have a 3/4 inch bevel on them, and that's the secret sauce. They're not a 3/8 bevel, they're a 3/4 bevel. And they're dual blades, one at each 180 degrees on this drum. This drum cooks at 3,800 RPM. It's huge, it's very fast. These bottom cutting bar, heavy duty, the blades, tool steel, the incline, the bevel, the 3 shiv system for the drive, the extreme torque on the engine, twin cylinders. Wow. I mean, this is one bad bear. So I urge you to watch the videos on it. It's really fun to watch it operate. One thing we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and look at this front chip chute system. They also have latches here. Part of the Tornadic system is not only to pull that tree in fast, but it's also to get rid of those chips in a hurry. So this is not a trapezoidal transition. That would cause a spherical conical spray which blocks the flow. What we want to do is we want a smooth, flat transition because this machine shoots chips 50 feet. So we can, lay our paths in the woods. So how do we do that? Well, first of all, we have this drum extending into the chip chute area. And this ledge on this drum, as it comes around and cuts, automatically is in the chute and it's blowing those chips straight up. Okay? So, what you have is you have a fantastic result coming out of here that blows these chips 50 feet. Okay, so let's take a look at these wheels up for tow. This is, let's say you're getting ready to tow this and you put it on your truck. I'm going to go ahead and tip this up, and we're going to just go ahead and look at these real close. We're going to get a close-up of these handles, these pull handles right here. You just pull those, flip, lock. Now we're ready to tow. We're ready to drop this, put this on our truck and tow. This comes with a 2-inch ball. While I have this, let's just pull this, say we're going to tow, or say we're at the job site. And we're going to drop this down at the job site. And now we have a trip hazard here. So we want to get this out of the way. So what we have here is we have what's called a flip and stow. Now, how does that work, Greg? Well, we just pull the pin, flip it, and stow it. So we can stow this out of the way while we're working, or while it's in the barn or the garage to cut down on the space. And then when we're ready to tow, we just simply drop it, repin it, and we're ready to go. Okay? All right. And let's go ahead and turn this around. As you can see, this is a 0-turn unit. It's very easy. You will see what the picture machine. Very easy to handle. All right. There's your Rado, 34 horsepower. Key start, choke. Got your speed governors here. You got your engine timing meter. Heavy duty bearings, accessible from the outside to grease. Grease those once a year with axle grease. Just a couple shots ought to do it. Everything comes pre-greased from the factory. Okay. This is the Big Bear BBC72. There's a lot of special things. This is all laser cut. This is not painted on here. This is all laser cut, and very cool. A lot of nice touches. All right, so we appreciate you taking time to let us show you the Big Bear Power. And if this unit is for you, great. If you have any questions, you can always call us out here in Las Vegas, or you can reach us at bigbearpower.com. Thank you.